Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign up for Wise account. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in a browser. You can choose any browser and just type in Wise, login, or just Wise app, something. And just go to this first link. And if you have an account, then you can just log in. But if you don't, you can see this option over here that says sign up. Tap on it. Now you can just enter your email address. Or if you want to sign up through Google, Facebook, or Apple, you can also do that. So after you've written down your email address, then you'll be given many other questions as well. So I'm typing in my email address. Click on next. And then you'll be given a link in the mail. So as you can see, I already have an account, so I can just directly log in. But if you don't have an account, then yeah, you do this process. You can just enter your email, then you can create a new password, and then you'll be given to write many personal details as well. So you can also do that. And finally, you'll be able to sign up to your Voice account. I have signed up through Google, so I'm just going to tap on the account. And now I need to type in my password. I've been sent a code, so I just need to use it to log in. So guys, there you go. And that's how you sign up to your Voice account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.